All right, hey, y'all. It's Feisty. It's been a minute. I have been bogged down with like classes and living life. Yeah. So, yes, today we are doing a rigging video. Also, I hope you guys are doing great. I missed making a video where I talked. So today I'm gonna make a video where I talk. So today we are rigging. Like I said, I have my favorite body, BBL. I do love BBL because I have been making videos for big bodies lately. Very strange of me. However, I am enjoying this because I feel like I showed you guys Chelsea Tang and I haven't done another video. That's because I actually don't know what to make for a Second Life Let's Play. I've been trying to get ideas, but y'all, I just don't know what to do. So I decided to kind of gauge myself and come back into this, like, how do I explain it? Like this, creative rut, and just make y'all a video about how to do something. However, I really don't need to make you guys a video on how to do it, so we could just have a chit chat. So I'm gonna turn on screencast keys. You guys know I still talk even when I do a chit chat. So I am going to import a pair of shoes I made today. They are some really fire ass shoes. I actually made this to like release these soon, so I'm already open here. There's a lot of messages. Don't know that person. I don't know. Ooh. Okay. So there is a lot of messages there. However, we're going to continue. So moving forward, I am just grabbing all the items. Actually, I'm going to go into X-ray mode and highlight because there ain't no reason for it to be like that. So yeah, I made these shoes today, textured them, very excited to release on Marketplace. I probably won't release these for Sims. That just will be too much for me, honestly. I'm trying to move back to Second Life in a way that I'm not overwhelming myself. Yeah, but you know, I enjoy making stuff, so I would love to share them with you guys. So I'm just gonna press O, turn on proportional editing, kind of move the shoe. Not too much though. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Lately I've just honestly like been doing my classes, which I love my classes. I will say that I enjoy teaching a lot. I always knew that about myself. My mom was a teacher, so I guess like probably got that love of teaching from her because even though she's not a teacher now, I still like, you know, I notice I am like my mom. Like I'm very much into helping people in any way I can. So, you know, that's what I noticed about myself. I'm gonna press and scale these out on the y-axis. One thing about BBL's feet, like they are freaking huge. So these might look like they're a little big, but y'all will be fine. But yeah, I enjoy teaching. I enjoy it. My next classes will be in August, if anyone was wondering. I just need a month to like recuperate myself. I do plan on traveling. So the rest, well, I don't plan on traveling like for not too long. However, I do plan on, you know, enjoying my summer because where I am from, you know, this, how do you explain it? Like, what is it called? Summer starts, you know, in July. More stuff to do in July. So yeah, that's all. Other than that, I'm just stretching and fitting the shoes. Ooh. Me moving them like that is gonna mess up the UV on it. I'm gonna have to move them all at once. So, yeah, that's about it. All I've been doing. Enjoying life, shoot. Oh yeah, I did forget to tell you guys. So I did purchase a building. If you follow me on my Instagram, you guys will see that I did purchase a building, a piece of property. Honestly, I posted like the progress pictures and stuff like that, you know, of me, like, you know, remodeling and stuff. Honestly, being an owner, very rewarding. I'm not gonna lie, I had a moment where I'm like, damn, like I really did this. But I did, like, I'm really happy with myself because, like, it's so funny, the block that my dad, for those of you who already know, my father did pass away last year during Christmas. Well, the year before last during Christmas. He did purchase a building before he passed away, and it was a block over from where I purchased mine, which I didn't realize. I was like, wait a minute, what the heck? So yeah, it was like a full circle moment I've been having, which is really good because, you know, I had to, it's like, it's so weird. I had to do the same stuff that he had to do at one point when he purchased his building. So really enjoy that full circle moment for sure. Other than that, like, I've been on Sims. I really enjoy Sims. I'm not gonna lie. If you all haven't, join Sims. It really will bring out your creativity. Like, I never knew I was that creative. I remember I always, you know, try to make stuff that's super creative, super inclusive, and, you know, like, just good vibes with my clothing. But, like, when I went over to Sims, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I did learn a lot about myself. I learned how, like how steadfast I am with things. Like, when it comes to certain things, I'm like, I don't stop. Maybe it's something that I learned from, you know, doing customs on Second Life. But I definitely did learn more about myself in the sense of how important things are to me and how, like, to detail I am. I didn't think I was that detailed. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm just ranting. Sorry, guys. Y'all know I don't know, I just be talking. I feel like I can. I really like these shoes. I was getting like a Y2K vibe from them. And I had to add that 5-star. Like, yeah, I'm obsessed. I love a good Y2K type vibe. Bring us back. Definitely bring us back to that. Where life was fun, creative, you know, all the above. So yeah, now that I have talked your head off about me and my life updates, I have now moved my shoes and fit them on the model. I'm gonna just, like, kind of bring this out. Okay. All right. Okay. So after that, I'm going to fit them. I'm gonna, like, you know, what's it called? Rig them. So I really only need the feet. to rig. If there was like strappy straps, like strappy straps, if there was straps to this, then yeah, I would like, you know, need the whole body. But because it's just like at the feet, I don't really need it. I just need the mesh body of the feet. So I'm gonna, you know the drill. I'm gonna Control P this close to the armature, empty groups, and then body to mesh, transfer weights. They're just at 65. I love that. They're high quality for sure. Transfer, and I'm gonna do all by name, and I'm gonna go to object mode, press the mesh, and I'm gonna go to MSTAR, scanning clean weight maps. And I'm gonna update that binding, perf. And then we're gonna go back to weight painting and we're gonna smooth all groups. I'm gonna do like 2, 3. It's not a very big item. Now I'm gonna test it out. Excuse me, y'all. I had a very long day today. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go to pose position. This is how the mesh does, but at least there's not. Hold on, what's that? Why does that move like that? I hate when I have to play around with the weights. Maybe I need to give it like a higher iteration. Let's see. I can't even see nothing. Well, we should be good. Okay. I'm going to export load preset. I think it's MSTAR. You know. Oh yeah, no, it's Bento Buddy. I be like, I mix it up. I'm not even. Oh man, I be having my moments where I be messing it up. I'm gonna upload. Yes, y'all, I am on somebody's land. They have not bought it yet, so I'ma just. I mean, I feel like I could just buy the land and call it a day. Call it a good old fashioned day. Let's see if we did good. It's gonna take a minute. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, they're 46. Okay. Cool. So, you know, I'm gonna change this to 100. I'm so excited to do the what is it called? What's that thing called? Oh, the ad. Probably just gonna do like my dad's models and use their toes and get some nails. I don't know, I'm gonna do something creative, something cute. I enjoy stuff like that. Hope is very much, what's it called? Oh, girl, not me. Freaking, what's it called? They are so cute. My feet is gone. Not my feet gone. Ciao. I'm gonna bring the hover eye up. Yeah. They are so freaking cute. I love it. Now I'm gonna test the texture. I have 7 textures because, oh yeah. I have 7 textures because I am dramatic. And I don't believe in doing 1,000 textures. It's dramatic for me not to have that many textures. Sorry, I can't do it. I try, but okay, period. They look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm about to cry. I like the way they look. They need a normal map. They are super cute. Period. Okay, wait. Y'all, what's wrong with my stuff? They don't like me. My thing doesn't like me. Okay, well, this is good. I'm gonna just go ahead and upload. Oh, these are 4K textures. So I just upload them all at once. Call it a damn day. I'm gonna go ahead and let's check the textures. Oop. Pink is perfect. I love it. Green is perfect. Beige is perfect. Blue, my baby blue. That's like a purple blue. Gray, I love it. That's red and black. Okay, these are perfect. I'm gonna get organized, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to create a new folder. Call them 5-star. Yep. All right. So yeah, guys, these are the final. I'm gonna just take a picture of this. Let me try and take a picture. You know, because you know we need a by the time y'all see this, this will already be in game. So y'all will be able to purchase it. I'm so excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed you as always. Make sure to shop MSTAR, whether you play Sims or you play Second Life. Hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.